Alright, so we're going to be doing 2798 today, number of employees who met the target. So essentially it's just going to give us like a list of hours. So it's like, these are how many hours like the employees worked. So out of the 5 employees, one worked 0, one worked 1, one worked 2, whatever. But we're trying to see who worked at least 2 hours, which would be these 3. So we output 3, or this one, the minimum was 6. So we input 0. It's pretty easy, but I thought it like had real world applications, so I thought it would be a good one to do. So we're going to declare count to start off, because this is what we're going to be returning at the end for employee in hours. So each one of these is an employee, so we want to basically go through it. If employee is greater than or equal to target, like this. So it's like if it's 2, so if 0 is greater than 2, it isn't, 1 is greater than 2, it isn't. 2 is greater than or equal to 2, yes. So then we go count plus equal 1. Plus equal 1. Yeah, and then at the end, all we have to do is return count. Alright. And then